Hello. Um, Welcome. My name is Aiden Wright, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Google Docs. It's very, very easy. It's a straightforward program. I personally use this quite a lot for my writing assignments, and hopefully by the end of this, you will too. um, but yeah, so just to get started, the profession that I'm looking to go into is education, specifically history education. So there's a lot of writing involved. And this fits in well with that because, like I said, it's a very straightforward programming, it's very user friendly, and it's actually free. So it works well for students. It works well for any other like internships that might be needed. It's just very, very easy to use, and it's free, like I said. Um, I personally see this being very good for substitutes because you can just type up a quick lesson plan, not anything too detailed because substitutes are obviously just there to make sure things are running smoothly. They're not there to fully teach a subject. So it'll just give them a quick overview of what's supposed to be done, and it doesn't have to be a super detailed PowerPoint. It doesn't have to be, or in this case, Google. It doesn't have to be a big Google Slides presentation. It's just one piece of paper. You can print it out. You can type it out. Whatever you need to do, and you're good. So to get started, we're going to check out the edit section, which is the regular home area. You can undo things. If you make a mistake, you can redo. So if you accidentally click undo, you can redo it. Or uh, if you just thought you made a mistake and then you go back and you realize that it wasn't a mistake, you can just click redo. It's whatever. You can print it out. Obviously, it's an online document. There's spelling and grammar check, which is very, very convenient if you misspell things a lot. um, then there's the paint format, which just alters the colors. You can format the colors of your text. This is zoom. You can zoom in and out. So 50%, like the lower zoom, the further out you're zoomed. So 200%, you're super, super close. I don't really use that a lot, but some people might. There's the text formatting. So there's like normal text. There's just regular typing, title. There's subtitle. There's heading. Like there's just various different styles of text. And then speaking like going through text styles, there's the fonts. Obviously, fonts are very, very important. Different things require different fonts. Um, and then if you don't like the ones that are here, there's about 50, I think. You can just click here, and then there's hundreds to thousands of them. All right, and then moving to the font size. Right now it's set to 20%. I personally prefer 11 to 12. And to do that, you can just alter it, click on it. Then when you find a font size that you like, just click enter, and it automatically saves that. You can click the arrows and go up. If you want to go super, super high, just type it in yourself. 2000 something, whatever. 400 is the highest. All right, and then you go over here to clear formatting, click that, and it goes right back to the way it was when you first started typing. All right, and then there's bold, which is self-explanatory. It bolds it. Italics makes it italicized. Underlined, it underlines it. All right, and then this is where it gets good. This is the text color. So say I want my text to be blue, I can type in blue. I want my text to be red, I can type in red. If I want to highlight it, so I'll set this back to black, and then I'll highlight it, let's go blue. Now it's highlighted in blue. I'm going to highlight it in red, click red, highlight it in red. It's very, very, very simple. If you want to link something, or here, I'm going to delete this real quick. If you want to link something, just click the link button, and you can embed a link in your text. This is the images. You can search the web. You can pull it from like a Google Drive, Google Photos, do it by link, take a picture if your camera on your PC works, or if your PC actually has a camera. Or you can even do this on the phone, because there is an app for this as well. Or you can just upload from your computer in general. The text alignment is very, very simple. Left to right, centralized, symmetrical, right to left, and then left to right, symmetrical. Line spacing, you can double space it. 1.5, 1.15. It's all very simple. You can custom space it. These are the bullet points. This is more of a list style. This is a bullet point. This is numbers. That, like I said, very, very, very simple. And then the last thing on this page is indent. You can indent things from, like, you can make it further, you can make it go back. It's all up to preference the way you want to do it. We're gonna go to view. View is not really important. It just like alters the way you see your paper. So you show ruler. I have it off now. It was on, but ruler is just like these like margins of the page where you want your stuff to be. And there's various different other things like show outline, don't show outline, whatever. The outline is just like the stuff on the outside, like this. And then we're just going to go straight to format. Format is pretty much everything from the edit section, like the paragraph styles, like where you want them to be. Line and paragraph spacing, it's just the same thing as over here. Align and indent, it's right here and right here. It's all very simple. The only difference is that there's headers, footers, page numbers, and page orientation, which is just like the way, like landscape or portrait, vertical or horizontal. It's very, very easy. Tools, like again, this is really just like things that you don't have on the edit homepage. So it's like spelling, grammar, which is there. This stuff I don't really use too often. It's mostly just to help you avoid plagiarism, so like citations, comparing documents, review suggested edits. Like that's just things that it suggests so that you can like improve your writing overall. But there is like translate document from a different language. You can do that. Voice typing, it's voice to text. So in the case that you can't type or you're not sure how to spell something, you can say it and it'll do it. The most convenient thing on this page, like the most important thing, is the word count. So currently I have it on, but usually it's not on. And so like this is how it would look. There would not be a word count. So you gotta click tools, click word count, display word count while typing, and then it'll pop up right here, and you can see all the details. Pages 1, words 0, characters 0, characters including spaces or excluding spaces, sorry, 0, and then you can click hide word count, but we're not going to do that. So right now we're at 0 words. Obviously I don't have anything typed out, but type out a letter. Type out a letter. Starts the word. It's one word. Extensions is, I don't really use this. It's really just for add-ons and scripts for other apps, if you're interested in that. Help is just Google's basic, like, if you don't understand something, click help, and it'll show you how to do it. It'll give you options to, like, select from. Lastly, we're going to go to File. So you can start a new document if you wanted to. You can open another document from Files, make a copy. Really, this is just where you download it. You can download it Word doc, ODT, RTF, PDF, TXT, web page, and a publication. We're just going to save it as a PDF real quick. All right, and you can open that, and it shows up as a PDF. Super, super convenient, and that's really just how you use Google Docs. My only critique about it is that the word count isn't automatically there, but aside from that, I think it's a super, super easy programming, and it's very user-friendly. I personally use it all the time, and I think a lot of people should because it's free. So, yeah. That's about it. Thank you for watching.